Johan, ¿qué es eso?
Oh, egg surprise.
Your first egg surprise? Did you like it? Let's see what's inside. Ooh, a lot of lollipops. Ooh, it looks like there's some stickers in there. A ver. Check what's inside. Unos candies. Put them right here. Unos candies, una lollipop. Ponlos en este lado. Otros candies.
One lollipop.
Un lollipop.
Otros candies.
Otros candies.
Otro lollipop.
Wow.
Otro candy.
Wow, that's a lot of candy there.
Otro lollipop. Otro phone.
What else?
Another lollipop. Rocks.
Lots of lollipops and candies. Wow. What else is in there? It looks like, what, stickers? Are those stickers? Cool, you got stickers. Angry Bird stickers on his friends. Like it? Did you like your first egg surprise?
Yes.
I mean, yes, I love it, Mommy.
Yes, I love it, Mommy.
Send me a kissy. Así. Mwah. A mí.
Mwah.
Wow. Happy?
Happy.